Hello everyone, I am Pooja Khaire from Sanjeevani University School of Commerce and Management and MBA department. Today I am here to discuss one important topic, that is gig workforce, its benefits and limitation. So let's understand what is a gig workforce. So gig workforce is an individual who work on the task basis. They are not a permanent employee of any company. We can take example of the Zomato boys or any Uber boys who work as an employee but in very particular time. They are not a full-time employee. They get the rewards or their wages according to their performance and tasks on basis on the time. So let's see the evolution of the gig economy. So as a pre-2000, there is a very limited part-time jobs and very contractual jobs are there specifically in the gig workforce. But in 2010 there is a growth of the digital platform, so these gig workforce are increasing. But in now 2010 to the present year, there is a very widespread adoption across the all over the industry. Most of the industry try to use the gig workforce for their earning profit. Let's see the benefits of the gig workforce on the view of employees also and on the view of employer also. For the employees, it's very flexibility in the working hours and their opportunity to work with the multiple employers, which is beneficial for them to take the experience from the various employees of various companies. And it also the increase the autonomy and there is a chance of the skill development. So these are the benefits for the employees. Let's see the benefits for the employers. For the employers, it is very cost effectiveness. A very less cost is required for this, and there is access to the global talent pool and scalability and aligned with the workforce management. So for the employers, it's a very beneficial to do their work with the help of the gig workforce. They can pay them for the particular task or for the particular time. So let's see what is the limitations of the gig workforce. So for the employees, as we all know, for the employment or for the employee, it's very important to the job to have the job securities. But in gig workforce, there is a lack of job securities and its benefits. Then income instability is one major limitation for the gig workforce. And then workload is one of the most problem they are facing. They have a lot of workload and they have to complete within the time also. And there is no income stability for them, and there is no legal law to protect their salary, their jobs or their future or their career. For the employees, let's see the limitations for the employers. There is a low worker commitment and the retained challenges. So the communication between the employers and the gig workforce employee is very less, we can say that. Then the difficulty in the building the team and the compliance with the labor laws and the taxation complexity. These are the limitations for the employees. So let's see the HRM challenges in managing the gig workforce. So HR have to ensure that they are paying their employees in the fair basis. They don't do any discrimination or any comparisons between the employees. So this is the most challenges thing for the HR. Then perform evaluation and accountability. To evaluate their performance, also the challenges for the HR, and they give them the training and to develop their skills. It is a very important thing and very important challenge to know for the HR. Let's see some real life examples like Uber, Ola. There are the flexibility in income but the lack of the benefits. Then in Fiverr and Upwork, there are opportunity for the freelance but compliance with the drivers low rates. Then there is one also example like Amazon Flex, on demand delivery jobs with pay per task. So on demand they are delivering, or they are performing their tasks, with that they get paid. Then let's see the HRM best practice for the gig workforce, like transfer contracts and the fair compensations. That's a best practice HR do. Then provide access to the training and the development to develop their skills, and they can improve in their career also. Then inclusive gig workforce in corporate culture. It's very important thing that gig workforce to include them with the corporate culture. Then leveraging technology and seamless workforce integration. So one of the important and the best practice that what HRs do. Let's see the conclusion. In conclusion, we can say that the gig workforce employee gig workforce can be the powerful asset in the today's dynamic business environment, and it will definitely help to business to increase their productivity, and we, they have the flexibility, and the companies must also address the challenges to related job security and their benefits. So thank you.